from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Okay guys, welcome to a new episode of Absolute Rebuilds. Today, none of exotic cars, but here we got the new Dodge Ram 6.7 liter Cummins diesel 2020 model. No guys, this is the Daihatsu Hijet. It's a small pickup truck. We need to get the garage cleaned out because we're going to get a new build very soon. So hopefully she starts. She sat in this barn for the last couple of 6-7 years. She's very dusty, but it's a Japanese truck. So she will start, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, so the truck thing didn't work. The jump started with the truck. So we got the full battery. And let's check if she will turn over now. At least she's turning over, guys. Let's give her a little boost. Second time after some cocoa juice. She's already cool now. So it's the next day. Yesterday she fired up after a couple of tries. Now that's left to do is change out the tires, which can be quite of a handful job because they were empty and ruined. As you can see, the tires are completely shot due to all the weather circumstances, I guess, or sitting in the garage for too long. They just popped. I think for the rear it's the same story. Maybe this one is just empty. So we need to check that out, change the tires, and try if she can run outside on her own power. And yeah, drive it around, I guess. But first we need to get our tools as well. This one go. Okay guys, as you can see, the rim is rotten on the hub, so we need to figure out a way how we can get this rim and the tire off. Go to the tire shop and get ourselves a new tire. Okay guys, that's one down. Hopefully not 3 more to go because they just look like they are flat. So we will get the compressed air and try to fill them up. We found a spare tire. Hopefully it will hold air for now so we can move the pickup truck. We just found out that our spare tire has leaks as well. As you can see, the whole side wall is gone due to the age of the tire. So let's put some air in the other 3 tires that are still on the car, and hopefully they will hold air. Otherwise we need to go to the tire shop and get ourselves not 1 but 3 or 4 new tires. Okay guys, looks like this last one also holds up air, but I think we need to go to the tire shop and get ourselves 2 new tires on those rims that we got spare, and then change the one out, and then we also have one spare just in case, and drive her out the garage. Okay guys, so we are at our tire shop. Well, actually it's a scrapyard, but they do also sell tires. Let's go and head in. Okay guys, so the tire wasn't available because it was 12-inch, I believe, and those are very hard to come by, 12-inch tires. So we got a 13-inch tire with rim. So we're going back to the house, check if that will fit, if we have enough clearance all around the tire, and then maybe buy 13-inch with the rims all complete. Let's head on to the house. So our 13-inch tire doesn't fit correctly. The lugs don't line up with the holes in the rim. So I think it's time to head on back to the shop again, and hopefully they got the correct lugs. So the shop didn't have any 12-inch tires. Also the 13-inch tire didn't fit. So we bought a quick solution, guys. Don't use this if you're going on a long drive or something. This is just to drive the truck around the yard here. We finally got her out of the garage. As you can hear, she's running fine on all 3 the cylinders. We put her now outside for just a couple of days. As you can see, the tire is already flat again. But once again, we will find some new tires, guys. Leather interior. Nice, all digital dashboard. Full navigation radio. 5-speed. And also some spare parts, guys. And it even has hydraulic lift systems, guys. That goes automatically up and it goes automatically down. Perfect. Soft closing doors. Perfect.
Been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down.